Hi there, I'm Danielle, your partner in precision here at Omega TMM. Today I'm going to tell you all about our FORTIS Pro. The FORTIS is a shop floor ready, full-size freestanding machine. It's built with a high-precision mechanical clamping spindle with an interchangeable cartridge system that accommodates any size tool holder in your shop. This makes it easy to switch between taper sizes and keep your measuring quick and easy. The FORTIS Pro has 3 axes of CNC and our full OPTIK tool measuring and management software suite to run automated measuring routines. We can transfer tool data using a variety of methods depending on how much or how little human interaction you want involved. All of our tool presetters, as well as our OPTIK tool measuring software, are made at our headquarters located in Fairport, New York, USA. Ask your regional sales manager today if the FORTIS Pro is right for you.